Welcome to Carolina Overlook, where resort-style living meets the best of North Carolina. Nestled in the heart of Clayton and designed exclusively for active adult 55 and over, this is Del Webb's premier community in the Triangle, a place where life doesn't slow down, it simply gets better. Ideally positioned with I-540 just 5 miles away, you're minutes from downtown Raleigh, RDU Airport, and downtown Durham. Clayton brings the charm and convenience. You're just 3 miles from the downtown scene with local restaurants, a performing arts center, craft breweries, boutique shops, and coffee bars. Peace of mind comes standard. Duke Health Center, Johnson Health Clayton Hospital, and Wake Med Clayton are all within 6 miles. Riverwood, Pine Hollow, and the Noose Golf Clubs are all within 7 miles, so tee times are never far. At Carolina Overlook, your home is just the beginning. Choose from over 10 thoughtfully designed ranch-style floor plans across a few collections. From scenic and distinctive to spacious echelon series, there are plenty of options, like second-story lofts, flex rooms, gourmet kitchens, and 3-car garages available. With Del Webb's signature quality and industry-leading 10-year warranty, every home is built to fit the life you've worked hard for. Personalize your finishes at the Design Center and create a home that's truly yours. For those of you seeking an exceptional lifestyle right at home, Lakeview Manor Clubhouse is your everyday resort. At 20,000 square feet, it's the heart and soul of Carolina Overlook. Swim laps in the indoor year-round pool or soak up the sun at the outdoor pool. Challenge your neighbors to a game of pickleball or bocce ball. Break a sweat in the fitness room or find your flow in the yoga studio. With a full events and activities calendar, plus an on-site lifestyle director, there's always something happening and always someone to share it with. From the wine and crime nights, card games, food truck rodeos, book clubs, sound baths, wellness fairs, classic car shows, live music, and so much more. You can enjoy as much or as little as you choose. With high-speed internet and cable TV included in your HOA, plus lawn care handled for you, your days are free to be spent exactly how you want them. Step outside and explore the renowned 32-mile Noose River Greenway, a scenic natural trail system right in your own backyard. Perfect for walking, cycling, or simply taking in the beauty of the Carolina outdoors. Thinking about making the move? There's no better way than to test it out. Del Webb's exclusive Stay and Play program lets you spend the night in one of the 2 fully furnished experience homes right here on site, steps from the clubhouse. And the best is still ahead. Carolina Overlook is launching an exciting new phase of homesites across the street. With a new clubhouse and expanded amenities on the horizon. There will be indoor pickleball courts, a golf simulator, a craft room with a kiln, a putting green, another outdoor resort-style swimming pool, and plenty of walking trails and pocket parks to enjoy. We can't wait to meet you. Your best chapter awaits at Carolina Overlook.